In this tutorial, we will show you how to calculate days between two dates in Excel. It covers these 3 scenarios, illustrated with 7 examples. Let's get started now. Scenario 1. Calculate days between two dates. Method 1. Using subtraction. Enter the subtraction formula in cell C6 and press enter to get the result. 180 days are between the two dates in cells C3 and C2. Method 2. Using Kutools. Click Kutools, Formula Helper, Date Time Helper. In the Date Time Helper dialog box, choose Difference in the Type section. Then select cell C2 and cell C3 separately in Date 1 and Date 2 text box. Then choose the day option from the Output Result Type drop-down list. Finally, click OK to get the result. As you can see, there are 180 days between the two dates in cells C3 and C2. Method 3. Using Days function. In cell C6, apply the days formula. Press the Enter key to get the result. As you can see, the result is 180 days. Method 4. Using DATEDIF function. Enter the DATEDIF formula in cell C6. Press enter to get the result. As you can see, the result is 180 days between the two dates. Scenario 2. Count days between today and a date. Excel's Today function can help you calculate the number of days between today and a specific date. In cell C5, enter the following formula. Press the Enter button. You can see the result is formatted as the date format. To format result as General, go to the Number group under Home tab. Then select General from the Number Format drop-down list. As you can see, there are 36 days between today and the date in cell C2. Scenario 3. Count working days between two dates. Here we will introduce 2 situations. One situation is counting workdays without additional holidays provided. The other situation is counting workdays with additional holidays provided. Listed in range C5, C8. Only excluding weekends. Input the net workdays formula in cell C6. Press the Enter button to get the result. You can see there are 130 working days between the two dates, not considering holidays, excluding weekends and holidays. In cell C7, apply the following net workdays formula. Press the Enter button to get the result. You can see there are 125 working days between the two dates, considering the holidays provided. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for your watching. Subscribe to our channel to find out more.